Hello, today I show you the detachable movable pole for the solar street light. Okay, you see this is 3 meters pole and we make it 3 parts and easy for shipping and reduce the shipping cost. Okay, we show you how to install it. Okay, and we made the first part. Put inside, and we use this silicone tube. Okay. Okay, make it strong and make it tight. You can do it as strong as possible to make it stable. Okay, and this is the first part. And the second part. Okay. Okay. And the second part. And after this, we make it here. Yes, and we can hold the time. Okay, and we can put this UFO solar light on the top. Okay, we can show you. Okay, this is UFO design. And you can also install this solar street light for the pole like this. Yeah. This is the new design pole for the street light, garden light, and landscape light. And we make it 3 part and removable and detachable. It's easy for shipping and reduce the shipping cost. If you want more details, please contact us, Love and Solar. Thank you.